don't judge somebody who wears flip-flops and boardies. So I don't want to be judged because I wear a scarf on my head. I'm as Australian as they are. I'm the first hijab-wearing Muslim senator in the history of Australian politics.
Who would have thought that a young woman born in Afghanistan and the daughter of a refugee would be standing in this chamber today?
It's quite significant because, you can't be what you can't see. It feels like people's hopes are just tied into this position. They're looking up to me. He would always talk about politics. It was always, I'll take you back to Afghanistan and get you elected, and so we can improve people's lives there, just because he never thought I stood a chance in Australia. Mum couldn't stop crying, bless her. All she said was, your dad would have been so proud.
100 years ago, let alone 10 years ago, would this parliament have been as accepting?
Oh, what on earth?
Thank you, Minister. Senator Hanson.
I'm quite happy to remove this because
it was such a disrespectful stunt to all Muslims. Aside from the First Nations people, we are all immigrants. So even Senator Hanson and her family heritage, they've come from somewhere.
I am young, I am progressive, and my family were born overseas. I am a representative of modern Australia.
I do believe that one day, the fact that an MP or senator wears a hijab will not make headlines. So that's what I hope to achieve.